Let's make 2-ingredient simple chocolate truffles. We need condensed milk plus some cocoa powder. We're just boiling it a little. We're done boiling it, so we're pouring it back. And just mix it. Wow, it's working! Mm. Don't waste it. Here my mom is struggling. In the refrigerator for about half an hour. Making space. Goodbye. It's been 30 minutes, so let's take it out. Oh my god. This is so good.